Hi, I'm Tammy Shaw Sykes, your menopause health coach and advanced nutrition guide. And I'm excited, so excited to welcome you to the 21-day meal planning challenge. With the holidays behind us, it's time to reset and refocus. Chilly weather might tempt us to hibernate, but it's your chance to fuel your body with nutrient-dense foods that'll make you feel amazing. Starting January 1st, in your email, you're going to be getting meal plans, shopping guides, pantry tips to set you up for success. Hopefully, you'll choose Practice Better. Then I can even go and track your foods and things like that, help you out even more. Plus, we'll be connecting in Practice Better with group chats for support. Hope you utilize that as well. You'll be able to reach me, but I'm also going to be hosting on January 6th. I tend to like Mondays to kind of start things off, where that might be a good day for you as well to kind of start out. You'll be able to shop, clean out your kind of set things off to the side in your pantry, check to see what you need, and do your shopping and even your meal prepping and planning over the weekend. So on Monday, we'll be getting started. And at 9 o'clock, we'll have a small little conversation where we can all get online, introduce ourselves, as well as a little cute question and answer session time. I'll send you the link on that later. I also want to share tips on posture, exercise, and stress relief. Probably even some sleeping tips to help you to thrive. My own journey in chronic pain and fatigue to improving to vibrant health inspires me to guide others now. We're living longer, depending on what our choices are. Lifestyle makes a world of difference. But how to go and get on the right track? Sometimes we need a little extra help, little extra accountability, little extra support. That's what I'm here for. That's what we're here for. So with smarter nutrition and mindful movement, I'll be helping out and I've helped countless people transform their health, their movements. But I'm also here to cheer you on every step of the way. So let's make that 21 days and the bonus days count. You got this. I got your back. And at any point in time, you can also go and request a session with me inside that little chat. I'm excited for you. So ready? Let's get started on January 1st. You're going to have some great information, some great recipes that are going to help to put you on the right track and create a lot of stress relief by able to plan things and get back on track. Looking forward to seeing you on January 6th. Otherwise, we'll see you in your email.